Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. I'm back, guys. I want to literally show you how to copy and paste these proven pre-written ads on social media to get engagement, to get leads, to get people basically attracted to what you have to offer, okay, with these proven ads. But before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back to the channel, guys. All right, so we're here today with Infinity Processing System, okay? This is very much needed. Matter of fact, I was just talking to one of my business partners today, and she was saying she is really grateful for this system. She got started and now she's getting ready to start using social media to post some of these pre-written ads. It is a great deal of value in this system. I'm not going to get into all the details of that. Go check out www.besteasyworkincome.com. Get all the details. Watch this video. Jot down your questions if you have any questions about it. I would love to answer those questions and get started. Help you get started. But today I just want to show you how simple, when we say this is a copy and paste system, literally that's what we mean. So I'm just going to show you how simple this is, okay? So let's do this real quick. This is the website you're going to get, okay? On here, they talk about how to post ads on social media, and these are the different packages, okay? So just pick which one works best for you. You know, the starter level is the influencer branding, brand marketing, $50, guys, for that one. Each package comes, has the $25 admin website fee, okay? So it's only going to be $25 for your website, one time. There's no monthly with this program, and your one-time payment for whichever product package you so choose to select. If you do the starter level package, the influencer is $50 plus $25. If you select the elite level, the internet automation secrets is $150 plus $25. If you choose the pro level, which is the one I have, it's $300 plus the $25. So $325, you're in. You're all in. And now you can make $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and $300 commissions for simply sharing a social media marketing training platform. That's what this is. So what I want to do is just show you how simple this is. Since I have the pro level, I actually have 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads. Okay, and I have 100 Facebook groups that I actually can join and literally copy and paste these ads. Okay, this is a global opportunity, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, as long as you can accept payments, however you want to accept them, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Stripe, whatever it is, you can, as long as you can accept those payment processors, you can join this program. Okay, and the ads are generic and universal, so they don't promote any specific program. So this actual training that you're going to get here, you can use to promote any business opportunity that you have. Okay, so let's go take a look. I'm going to go over my back office, my membership area, the pro level, and I'm going to literally show you. We're going to do a copy and paste. That's just one of the methods. Okay, now remember, you can copy and paste these pre-written ads anywhere. Doesn't necessarily have to be Facebook. It can be Instagram, because we get images too. See, I have 60 images and 200 pre-written ads. Okay, so I literally can post wherever I choose. Okay, any of these platforms, because remember, this is the deal. That's why I wanted the pro level, because I have access to everything. I have the Facebook marketing strategy, Craigslist, I have YouTube, I have Instagram, I have TikTok, I have email marketing. Okay, so you get it all if you choose the pro level. Okay, so let's go take a look at the back office. I just want to show you how simple, when we say copy paste, we mean copy paste. Okay, so let's go take a look at that. Okay, I am in the members area. Okay, and you can see right here to the left, it states 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. That's the pro level. So I'm going to go here right? We click here and we click image, add copy, right? And we're just going to look at this one. See right here? This is one of the 200. I'm just going to literally copy it. You take your mouse and you just drag it over that, right? And you highlight it and you right click and you click copy. Okay, now I already have a Facebook group open just to save on the time of this. Okay, now let's take a look at something. Let me show you something back over here. Remember, I have 100 Facebook groups I can join. Okay, so I have one already up. So all I'm going to do is go up here. So it says edit and hit paste. See that? That's that same ad, guys. And I actually took one of the images. See that? I took one of the images from here as well. See right here, I'm not going to show those, but right here, I have 60 images. Okay? So I'm over in this Facebook group, and I have pasted this here, and all I have to do is hit post, and it's a done deal. Now you may say, well, when I do that, what if they ask me a question? Wonderful. Guess what? You go back to your back office, your membership area. What should I say? I don't know what to say. Go over here. It says what to say when they ask you for information. You have a script. Okay? So just go over here and check this out. You have everything you need right at your fingertips, guys. You cannot beat this. This is something everybody can use. Newbie, advanced, doesn't matter. There's training in here for everyone. Okay, we got your mindset training as well as the ad copy, as well as a 7-day action plan. You need this. This is going to tell you step by step what to do. Okay. Okay, so I click that 7-day action plan. See, this is what it says. Income producing activities. It's going to tell you on Monday what to do. Just watch this little video right here, and you're going to have a 7-day daily method of operation plan. What should I do on Monday? What should I do on Tuesday? And so forth. Okay, and then you have all the ads you need. Okay, so that's why it's important for you to make sure you select the right one, the right product package. So basically, the more ads you have, the more that you can place. Okay, as well as the commissions that you can make. You get more training. If you go pro, you get more training. Okay, so you just decide where you want to be. Now, one other thing I want to point out, we don't have one-ups or pass-ups, or you pass your second sale up, and none of that. However, if you come at a lower level, you decide, hey, I'm just going to do the $50 starter package, and someone else signs up with you and they purchase the elite and pro level, that commission would pass up. Okay, so that's why you want to make sure you position yourself the best place possible, so that you can maximize, your potential with the commissions as well as the learning of the strategies. Okay, it's more training. Okay, so the better your skill set is, okay, with this online business, the more income you can make. So it's knowledge. The more knowledge and the skills you have, the more money you can make. You increase your potential. Okay, so with that being said, just want to show you the copy and paste method with Infinity Processing System, guys. So definitely go check this out. It's definitely worth you taking a peek. Go to www.easyprofit100.com. Get started with me. Pick one of those packages that work for you, and let's go. Give me a call. However, one more thing. Anyone that comes in at that pro level, I'm going to run a solo ad for you, as well as set up a free sales funnel. You're going to get a free sales funnel, okay, with the system that I'm using. Okay, so reach out to me. We can talk about it. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you in the next video.